Welcome to part 6 of the garage series. Today we're going to be going over one tool that everyone should have, and that's a vise. Odds are throughout your life you're going to buy a bunch of tools, and oftentimes you're going to have to replace tools you've already bought. But one tool you will likely never have to replace is a vise. Once you buy one good vise, it's probably going to outlast you 2 or 3 times over. I have no idea how old this vise is. It was used when I bought it. It's definitely a little worse for wear, but it still works perfectly. It's not the super huge vise. It's nothing fancy. All it does is open and close, and I can also rotate it 180 degrees. So right now it's straight up and down at 90, but I can take it all the way to 0 and all the way to 180. But there are so many jobs in a garage that require a vise or are made way easier with a vise. I don't need to list them. Most of you either have a vise and know how wonderful they are or wish you had one. Just go ahead, break down and buy one. They're really not that expensive. I mean, 50 to 100 bucks. You can pick them up used on Craigslist or at a garage sale. You can go get one from Harbor Freight. You can get a name brand one. It really doesn't matter. I use mine every single week for something, whether I'm holding something to drill it, or I'm trying to crush something or bend something or whatever. It'll do everything. It's not a press, so don't confuse it with a hydraulic press. You're not going to be like pushing out bearings or anything with it, but you can do a lot with this vise. It's got a small little flat section on the back that I can use as a very small anvil, so if I need to hammer on something and I need a flat metal surface, it works great. I just have it heavily bolted down to my table, so I've got 3 lag bolts going into those 2x4s, and then a big wide washer on the 4th one that's going through the fiberboard. But it gets the job done. It's not overly complicated, but it's definitely something that you should have. You can also get all sorts of different little added jaws that you can put in there, whether you want to do AN fittings or if you want to put some felt in there because you're gripping onto something soft. You can stick a towel in it if you just quickly need to put something delicate in there. You can get flat jaws or jaws with teeth, or you can put wood in there, whatever you want to do to customize your vise to your needs. But they are a great tool, a great investment, and something you will probably have for the rest of your life. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.